Hey guys, welcome back to the eSolo channel. Today I have this 2022. It's a Honda Civic. It needs like a oil change. Because got this message, maintenance due soon. So if I go to the home, use this like a navigate to home, and then use this like a scroll button to up and down. So let's see. Home. Yeah, here you go. Oil life, 10% left. Alright, e-brake. Got the e-brake, the lights on. And then also like chalk the wheel on both sides. Yeah, before I do the oil change, I will put the remote away from the car. Make sure it's not in my pocket. It's like I don't want to accidentally hit the remote start button when I do an oil change. It will like gush oil everywhere and damage the engine. Alright, here's the lever handle. It's like next to the brake pad, or close I would say, not next to it. And now I can open the hood. I'll have a lever here. And then the hood prop. And here's the dipstick. Here's the oil cap, oil fuel cap, 0W20. This is a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine, so it takes about 4.4 quart of 0W20. Alright, I'm going to put my jack here. Yeah, this is like a part of the I don't know what they call it. It's not a frame rail, it's like it's along with the where the jack stand are put, so that they're the same frame rail. Alright, so here's where I put my jack with a piece of wood. Yeah, it's like cracking. And then here's I put my jack stand. It's where like the scissor jack go. And then like make sure I put like a safety pin to the jack stand, because like once I jack up this side, it will put a lot of load on this side. Alright, let's lower the jack. Slowly. Alright, so this side's on the jack stand, and now I have like I can slide my jack underneath where the jacking point at in the middle of the car with my yeah, now I have enough room for my low profile jack. So I jack it up and then put a jack stand on the other side at the same spot, and I can wear the scissor jack at. So now I can lower the car. I lower the car, make sure everything's still good. Yep, that one's touching. Yep, it's not moving. Good. And the safety pin's there. Alright, here's another side. So, yep, it's on. It's not moving. The safety pin's there. Good. Alright, now I can take out the jack. Alright, I don't know. This Civic was at like some place get an oil change last time, and then like all the fasteners holding this like the undershield, they're all not there. Oh no, I'll take it back. I just have one. It's a Phillip. but the rest not there. Well, still holding by just one fastener. Maybe two. Alright, I need to order those for my friends. Alright. Alright, this is a Phillip. And I have one more here. Okay, got it. Now I need to push this one. Oh, here's another screw. Okay, so I still have some fastener. Oh, Phillip hat number 2. So now I should be able to slide. Yep. Alright, shoes off. And here's what look like underneath. So here's the oil filter. Good. And engine oil. Follow the arrowhead. That's the drain bolt. Okay. So that should be a, I don't know what I got here. A 17 millimeter. Yeah, it's a 17. Alright, good. Alright, get a drip pen ready. Here's a 17 millimeter. I got it. Alright, so let it drip. Wow, it is really dark. Yeah. Alright, so we wait. Alright, let's replace the clutch washer. Alright, let's take out the old one. Maybe clean up the plug a little bit. Alright, now I can put the new one on. Yeah, it fit. That's good. So here's the part number. Yeah. Alright, it looks like it's done. Yep, let's put the plug back in with the new washer and hand tight it first. Because I don't want to cross thread it. Clean it up. Alright, now I can torque it down to like a 30 foot-pound. Alright, 30 foot-pound. No leaks. No leaks so far. Alright, good. Alright, let's move to the oil filter. Can I lose it by hand? No, I cannot. Alright, let's grab a oil filter wrench. Alright, hook up the oil filter. Socket, wrench. And it should be able to break it loose. Yep. Alright, I think that's good enough. Make sure I can remove it. Yep, I can. Good. Alright, so now I should be able. Yep, I can loosen it up by hand now. Ooh. Yep, also get like a drip pen ready. Let's pour it. I will use this filter. It's a Fram. That's the part number. It's not sponsored. Yep, and then let's clean up the area. Everything's nice and clean. Clean up the dripping oil. Alright, let's see. Alright, make sure no double gasket. Good. Oh yeah, same thing on the oil drain plug. Make sure like the old one got removed, which is I did. Just have a one gasket for crush washer. If you double it, it will leak. Same thing on the oil filter. So everything's clean. Good. Let's put a little bit oil around the oil filter gasket. Go ahead. Yeah, I suppose not use the old oil, but it should be okay. So it makes it easy to go on. Hand tie should be good enough. Alright, oil filter's on and it's hand tight. Good. And then drain plugs on, and then torque is 13 foot-pound of torque. Let's put some oil. Well, no sludge, it's clean. It makes sense. This car's like 2022. It should not have any damage. It's a Honda, right? COW20. Let's put the oil fuel cap back on. Mixture of oil. Alright, everything is tight. Make sure it's like no leaks. Yep, oil filter still dry. No leaks from the drain plug. I'm going to lift the shield off because I want to start the vehicle. Later on, I'm going to shut it off and then check for leaks again before I put the shield back on. I get the key, and then let's start the Civic. Sounds good. I know. Alright, let's reset the oil life. So go to, let's see, settings. Maintenance reset. Let's see. Item B only, I guess. I think it's B. Reset complete. Go back to home. Maintenance. Oil life back to 100%, but now I have an A127. I need to take a look what that means. I think we're good for now for oil change and oil life reset. Alright, let's go under the car, take a quick look, make sure there are no leaks. Looking good here. Yep, no leaks at the oil filter and no leaks at the drain plug. So I will shut off the engine, put the shield back on, lower the car, and wait about like 10 more minutes and double check the oil level. Alright, well, don't have a whole lot of work. I just have like a three fastener. Oh, I will put some anti-seats here. Yeah, because like it's easier to take out next time. All right, give me a second. Just put a little bit. Right, that's good enough. I believe that one's like here. And then I'm gonna put one more here. Well, not one more here. That's like the only one I have. The only one I have. Right, I need to go online order more like those fasteners to fill in the blank. Alright, the screw is on, not perfect because like I'm missing a lot of fastener. I can lower the vehicle. I put the jack at the I don't know, factory jacking point for the jacks, and then now I can take out the jack stand. Alright, so yep, take out one side of the jack stand. And now I can place my jack on the side of the vehicle. Alright. Yep. Alright, now I can lower the jack slowly. Alright. Not crushing, not crushing. Not crushing the side skirt, nope. Remove the choke. So now the vehicle on the level ground. Let's wait 10 minutes and then check the oil again. Make sure like the oil is at the correct level. Alright, let's check the oil level. Make sure everything's good. Yeah, it's been sitting for like 10 minutes after the start. Yeah, I would say it is really close to the top mark. Alright, the oil level is right. Thank you for watching, guys. That's how I changed the oil on this Honda Civic. It's a 2022 with a 2-liter naturally air split engine. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all the support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.